Niels Henrik David Bohr. He was a Danish physicist who made foundational contributions to understanding atomic structure and quantum theory. He was born on October 7, 1885 and died on November 18, 1962. Niels Bohr's wife was Margaret Norlung. His children were named Age Bohr, Ernest Bohr, Hans Henrik Bohr, Eric Bohr, Harold Bohr, and Christian Bohr. Niels' son, Age Bohr, also won a Nobel Prize.
Niels Bohr studied at the University of Copenhagen from 1903 to 1907. In 1912, he later began teaching there as well.
His father was also a professor at the University of Copenhagen.
Niels Bohr was known to be a poor writer, as when he was in the university, he once wrote an essay that was only 3 sentences long.
While at university, Bohr was known to set off explosions in his university's physics lab.
His contributions to the world of physics were extremely monumental in forming our modern model of an atom. He proposed a theory that the electron was able to occupy only certain orbits around the nucleus. This atomic model was the first to use quantum theory, in that the electrons were limited to specific orbits around the nucleus.
The Bohr model shows that the electrons in atoms are in orbits of differing energy around the nucleus. Think of planets orbiting the sun. Bohr used the term energy levels or shells to describe these orbits of differing energy. The higher energy, less stable state is called the electron's excited state.
Even though the Bohr model was his most well-known achievement, he also had a large role in the Manhattan Project, the project that created the nuclear bomb. At the time, he was known as the Dane that created the nuclear bomb.
Along with this project, Niels Bohr also aided Jewish scientists in their escape from the Nazis. Bohr's model, though, is not entirely correct. According to physicforums.com, Bohr's model was the simple basic structure of an atom and its electrons, how the electrons move around the nucleus. However, it did not explain the entire story of how the electrons orbited the nucleus. Since there are various kinds of orbitals, sublevels, and principal energy levels, this gives each electron its own way of orbiting depending on the sublevel. S has 1 orbital, P has 3 orbitals, D has 5 orbitals, F has 7 orbitals. Remember, each orbital can only have 2 electrons, which is stated in the Pauli exclusion rule.
Bohr's awards included the Nobel Physics Prize in 1922, the Copley Medal in 1938, the Matteucci Medal in 1923, the Max Planck Medal in 1930, the Hughes Medal in 1921, the Sonning Prize in 1961, the Franklin Medal in 1926, and the Adams for Peace Award in 1957.
This is our works cited page.